Hi everybody, today in front of me I have this Realme Narzo 50A Prime smartphone, and in this video I would like to show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first of all, you gotta open up the Play Store. Here at the search bar type in Opera, click on install, wait for the app to get downloaded and installed. It will not take a lot of time, so as you can see, just a few seconds and we are all set. All that it's left to do is to open up the app itself, and here at the first line just decide whether you want some of the options and features that this browser has to offer to be enabled from the start, or you can skip it by tapping on the skip button on the top right corner of your display. I'll enable ad blocking, enable checker blocking, and skip setting Opera as the default browser. Just tap on allow, done, and we are all set. So that was it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!